I don't want my 8-year-old to live in a world where he thinks that so many people hate him.
No matter our religion, our race, our gender, or nationality, we all understand the value of having a place for our families to call home.
Different ages, different races, different nationalities, and different beliefs just work together to help each other. That's great. It's making me cry.
I still couldn't believe that we have a house now where our children will grow up in happiness.
And I think that coming together as a community to build houses in order to provide a home for people that need a home is the loudest statement that we can ever make to the rest of the country. And imagine if the people of Chicago and New York City and Houston and Los Angeles and Denver and Seattle came together and started the same initiative.
This is a movement that is going to take over this country, a good movement.